Welcome back, everybody. I'm your host, Kelly Sparks, aka Redbeard. So, this is roughly 5 hours later. Haven't hit anything else to drink. So, this is part 2 of the semi-budget blind tasting between Knob Creek, Wild Turkey, and Henry McKenna. So, two things are different this time around. I still have the same bottles. I've already mixed them up. Shell gamed them pretty good. This time, I had barbecue probably about 2 hours ago, and now I'm going to have a water to rinse the palate as we go. So we'll see what changes, if anything, and we'll go ahead and get into it. I should have had these poured up already. So there goes one bottle. A little more. 2 bottles. And then bottle number 3. Trying to keep the bottom covered so nobody can see. Alright. So we'll see how the food affects the palate, and then we'll do a rinse after each one. What the fuck? No, I don't have beer. I have whiskey. You don't like whiskey. No, quit licking the table. Now, nope, don't you lick my water either, poop mouth. That one might be that Wild Turkey. And if y'all remember correctly, in the first video, I actually nosed them correctly. I don't know if anybody else caught that. I nosed them exactly as they were, but then on the taste, I got confused. Get off of me. I am trying to do work here. So on the nose, and I'm going to try to remember this, I think I'm going to have to go Wild Turkey. Wild Turkey. Maybe Knob Creek. This one's Knob Creek. So I'm going to go Wild Turkey. Henry McKenna. Knob Creek. Yeah. So last time, well, I'm going to go ahead and just start on the left since I think this one's Wild Turkey. Really good mouthfeel. Fairly positive that's Wild Turkey. I think on the front end, without the other two to distort it, it tastes really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse. What? Get off of me! G poop, quit licking the table. There's not beer on it. Really good flavor on that one. The finish is a little quicker. All in all, both of them are really tasty. but I'm pretty sure Wild Turkey McKenna. You get down. You get down. Get off me. Definitely Knob Creek. This one's got, now after it's been a few hours, I ate something different and now I got the mouthwash or the rinse. It's got like a peanutty flavor that I'm not liking. Well, I mean, it's not enjoyable, but in this setting right now, I don't think I will pick this one first. I'm gonna go through it again. I'm gonna go back the other direction. And since I already tasted this one, I'm not going to worry about rinsing. Definitely think that one's Knob Creek. Super, I mean, it's got this very caramel toffee type body to it. Finishes really quick though. But it's the small batch Knob Creek, so oh well. See, that one had really good flavor too, but it's like it had zero body. It was just very flat on the body and just finished really quick. So I'm not really too keen on that, so I'm gonna slide that one back a little bit. As of right now, I think I would pick this one on the right, my right, over it. So like a medium body, medium on the finish, overall good flavors. I think I'm leaning more towards this one right now for today. I'm gonna go back through and I'm just gonna taste these real quick. Yeah, not as big of a fan. Still tastes good. Solid bourbon, but in this setting, this one's got the better finish. And that one, it's good, but it's got this little note that I'm catching. And it could be because of the barbecue I ate earlier. It's not interacting well with it because I just burped before I started the video and I tasted it. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and third place, second place, first place. All right. I didn't mean to take almost 10 minutes. Anyway, whatever. We'll go ahead and figure it out. Let's not forget that bottle A that's marked is Wild Turkey, bottle B is Knob Creek, and bottle C is Henry McKenna. And in third place for this second round, we have C, Henry McKenna. So, as I expected, your food, what you have that day is going to change your palate, because I did the first review earlier today after eating certain things, and now I'm doing it again, same bottle, same setup, And so far we've got a different order. And in second place we have B, Knob Creek. So I picked them all right. I even guessed them correct in the nosing. And then A, we have Wild Turkey 101. So this is a good experiment, and please, Scout's honor, I'm not lying. This is all genuine. I'm not looking at the bottom of the bottles. I can't look through the whiskey on top and see what it says on the bottom. I'm mixing them up thoroughly, but just in these 2 rounds, I've been able to pick the noses and pick the taste, and and that's not really changing my mind on how I'm picking them. It's totally purely taste. I like all 3 of these whiskeys, and they're all roughly the same. Well, this one's I think $20 right now. It's marked down. This one's $29, and this one's about $32 if you can find them at retail here in Texas. So I'm not letting any of their status affect my opinion. I'm just going off what tastes best right now. So at this moment, this evening, this is Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. So you'll see this video on Thursday. But Wild Turkey 101 wins it tonight. So what do you know? That's all I got. I'm going to do a follow-up, a 3rd video, and I'm probably going to try to do it after smoking something, so smoke a cigar, and then record that video to see what happens. So this is just a test. We'll see if Henry Comena, we'll see if Henry McKenna can come out on top after the smoke test. So, and I might do it tonight. Just go ahead and smoke a cigar after dinner and then record it one more time. So, alright, that's all I got. Wild Turkey 101 wins round 2. Don't forget to check out the Tattered Beans. Order some coffee from me. Got links in the description. It's really, really good. Tasty. It's a good cause. It supports me. It helps me buy more whiskey and more coffee. And check out the Bearded Idiots, because we're funny most of the time. And that's about it. So, like always, folks, drink some whiskey, share it with your friends and family. There's a little left off in this one. I'll go ahead and finish it off. Share it with your friends and family. Have a nice day. Y'all take care.